Hi guys, Jonathan Graham here. Check out this new model I designed. It is a three-dimensional, sort of like a three-sided diamond. But it's not just that, it is actually a box. It opens up, and you can put something inside here, and it recloses. This one's from 3-inch squares, two of them. Here's one from two 6-inch squares, and I use two different colors. It opens up, and you can put something inside. This is my new diamond gift box, and I will be showing you how to make that today. So for this tutorial, we're going to make one this size, since we're using 6-inch squares. This is from 3-inch squares. I'm going to be using orange and green for this one. So you want to start with, take any of your two squares and start with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half, just like this. So it's like a rectangle. Now we're going to unfold it, and I'm going to rotate it so the crease is going up and down. Now we're going to fold this up, this edge up. Now we're going to start our crease right at this corner, and this corner is going to touch this crease. So I'm going to basically line up the bottom corner, start my crease, and line up that corner on the top to the center crease. So if you look, it goes right from here across, and this corner touches this, is right on this line. Crease it sharp, and now I'm just going to rotate it so it's easier for me to do this, but you're going to fold this one down right along this edge here of this other side. Essentially this edge should line up with that edge. This is basically a 60-degree angle as we made here. And unfold it, and now unfold this one, and now we're going to go on this other side again, starting at the corner. Make your crease, line this up with the center crease, and crease it sharply. And once again, we're going to bring this down as far as it'll go. I'm just going to turn it around so I can do this easier. Perfect. Unfold here and unfold here. And now I'm going to turn this around so it's a little easier to see. We're going to fold up this edge upwards, right, and the crease is going to go right where these creases intersect with each other. So just like that. And you're going to make sure the center line is it's folded on itself. And now we're going to take this side and fold this one down really sharply and crease it, and do the same with this one. But this one we're going to use for on the left side. When we're holding it like this, we're going to unfold this one, and we're going to make a little fold, bring this edge to this edge, or almost to that edge. Crease it sharply, and unfold it like this. Now we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to make this crease into a mountain at the bottom, and just very simply collapse it over, fold it over like a book, like this, and this will go down like this. And this is one module for our diamond-shaped box. Now we're going to make two of those. I'm going to make my second one. I'll just go through with this green sheet for my second piece. Same size. I'm going to, again, white side up, fold in half, just so you can see how it's done again. Unfold, turn it so the crease is going up and down. You're going to make your crease here, starting at the corner, and making sure that this corner at this side touches the center crease. It's right on the center crease. And then again, fold this edge. Again, will be on top of this edge, and it's going to fold right along here. Unfold here, unfold here. Again, now going this way, fold across, starting at the bottom, lining up the top, and once again crease it down really sharply, and once again fold this down along here. The edges will line up over here, the green here in this case. Crease it really sharply, unfold here and unfold here. Again, I'm going to rotate it so we have this little small sort of half diamond at the bottom. Again, fold this edge up right where those creases intersect. Make sure you hold it up so it's centered. And once again, on this right side, I'm going to fold it down and unfold it. Actually, no, I'm going to leave that one folded. And on the right side, I'm going to fold down on the existing crease. This crease is already here. Unfold this one, and again, fold this edge to here. The crease will start right there. And unfold it. And now once again, we're going to fold this in half like a book, like this. But we want to sort of do an inside reverse here and collapse it down So we have kind of this diamond shape again. And now comes sort of the really fun part, is putting this box together. Now to put the box together, if you look, you see we have two flaps here, and they sort of have little pockets right there. And that goes for both modules. Two pockets, there's two flaps. We're going to put the flaps together so they are kind of opposite. So in this case I'm going to tuck the orange one at the back into the green one. See that? But I'm going to take the green one and line it up so it goes inside the orange one. So if you look here, I'm going to just put the green one into the orange one, and now get the orange one into the green one. And now when you slide it together, you'll see how they're kind of on top of each other. And from the bottom, you'll see these two different colors. You'll see the green here and the orange face here. You're going to slide it in all the way, and now you have what sort of looks like a part of a hexagon, or even a funny looking Pac-Man, if you will. And now we're going to open up the top here, and now we're going to lock this together. Now if you look inside the bottom, there's these two flaps that are overlapping. You're going to take this orange one, and you can see the line there. Fold this right over top of the green one, in this case. Make sure you keep these lined up, and then flatten it down, because you really want that to go down good, because that's going to keep it together. Now I'm just going to turn this over and reopen it. And this little green flap, this side here, is going to fold over top of the other one. And then once again, flatten your sort of Pac-Man slash funny looking hexagon shape. And now we're almost done. Now this is the cool part. To form the box, we're going to do sort of like a Pac-Man. We're going to push these together, so it's going to kind of be like a mouth. Just like this. And just keep pulling it together. And you can see how these flaps will fold over top. Pinch them a bit. And now you have your finished diamond-shaped gift box from 2 squares of paper. And you just open it up like this, and you can put something inside. I'm going to put my little yellow diamond box inside of there. And that is the diamond gift box. Hope you're able to make this one. This was the first, still is the first design I've done this year, 2018. Hope you enjoy it. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.